What makes you proud as a digital business owner?
My name is Regina. I am a full-time digital business owner. I am very proud to be a digital business owner. It is because ever since I become a business owner, my mindset has changed. And also, I have realized that I am the key to my own success story. So I am a very proud this digital business owner because now I am dedicating to help as many people as possible. People who used to have difficult life, people who used to struggle to keep a job. And I was in that position. I used to work very hard. I used to fight hard to protect my job. And I was very stressed, and I always like working for other people's schedule. Now I am very proud because I am changing that. I am now showing to a lot of people out there that this is an option, that they have a choice, that not only employment income is the way to earn a living, and not only the hard work for traditional business, that this digital business is another option that they can do while they are still an employee, or they can do it while they still own a business. And slowly, hopefully, as they get better to the business, that they can have a decisions of where they want to take their business into. Now I am no longer juggling between jobs. I am now concentrating to become a full-time business owner in this global business, and I am only working casual at job. So in my goal is that in another year that I will be fully retired at work in this business. And I'm hoping to show that to as many people as possible, that there is an option to what they can do as a way of earning for a living.